Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Capcut templates easily. So if you don't want to bother create a video from scratch, you can use the templates from Capcut, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here I've already on a Capcut and I've already clicked on the template menu at the app. So here are the list of templates that I can use. So for example, I want to choose or use one of this template. For example, this one's right here. So just click on the templates and click on use templates, and here choose the matter or the picture or the videos that fits into the templates. For example, okay, so I'm going to choose three pictures for this and click on next. Okay, so the loading. So here is my video using the templates from Capcut. Okay, when you're done, just click on export. And if you don't have a TikTok account, you can just click on the export without watermark, and then the apps will be direct you to the Google Play Store, but you can just go back and you don't have to install TikTok, because I don't have a TikTok account. Okay, I'll show you later. So it will automatically switch to TikTok, but since I don't have one, it will direct me to the Google Play Store. But I'm going to just go back and click down, and let's see the result. There is okay, so I still can use the templates like this. Okay, so that is how you can use Capcut templates easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment. And if you feel the video is good, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Thank you.